So here I got the Axial Deadbolt. I'm having an issue with it. I turn it on. We have steering. Put no throttle. Ran the car 4 or 5 times. And now the throttle don't work. Don't know if something's bound up. You'd think this would spin freely without much force given to it. But nothing's happening. You can steer all day long. You hit the throttle, nothing. So after tearing apart my Axial Deadbolt, after owning it for about a week and running it about 4 or 5 times in the house, went to go shoot a review video this morning, and I put the battery in it, set up on the rock, got the video going, and I had no power. I had steering, but I had no motor, no drive. So I tore it apart. And if I plug it into the battery, so let's get this camera set up. Plug it back into the ECM. Turn it on. Does not work. It tries to move, but yeah, the motor's done. So if you buy one of these cars, I'd be careful. It was $130 out the door. I haven't had it a week. I bought it Saturday morning. Played with it about 4 or 5 times, and well, the motor's burnt. So I'm gonna look up on the good old YouTube and see what people suggest for a motor, and that's what I'm gonna go with. But there it is in all its glory, a million pieces.